What's up, guys? Welcome to the next video on C++. Previous video we discussed double and floats, and before that we discussed arithmetic operators. But one thing we did not discuss is modulos or mod. So in this video we're gonna go again on arithmetic operators, plus, minus, multiplication and division, and at the end we're going to see what modulos or modulo is, or mod, in mathematics. All right, so previously we discussed that plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we go ahead and we put an int, because our data type is integer. We want to put int. You can put an X or Y or A or B, it's up to you. So we put an A, B, or you can put any name if you want. Can put 3-1, 3-2, or operand 1 or operand 2, but I'm gonna put X and Y. I'm gonna put X and Y's because I'm more comfortable with X and Y's. So we do C out. Enter the value of A, enter the value of our X, so we're going to take the C in, we're going to take the value of X, C in X, and we're going to take the value of Y, value of Y, so we're taking the value of Y. All right, so now we perform our summation. So you guys can put a sum here as well, but so if I want to put, I can put a sum here. So the sum of A, X and Y is, or you can put it like that. So here we're going to perform our arithmetic operators. So you put a X, because we have the value of X here and our Y here, so we are doing the addition. So we're gonna see our program. All right, so enter the value of X is 10, and we're putting Y, and X and Y, the summation is 20. Very easy. All right, so if we do negative, it's going to be the same. So if you do 50 for the X and minus 20, which we're going to get 30. So that's minus, and we do multiplication. We're going to multiply X and Y. We're going to 2 and 2 which is 4. All right, so the last one which we're gonna discuss is division, and after that we're gonna see modulos, what modulos is. So if we do division of 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9, and what about there is a 1 in between, what about the 1? It's called remainder. All right, so what is modulo? Modulos or modular operation, whatever. So we have in modulo we have remainder, like if we do division of A and B or X and Y, and we have a remainder, like in case of 10 and 3, where 3 divided by 3 is 0, and there is 1 which is remainder. So A is in modulo we have if you guys can see here, a mod n, which is in mathematics, and that's the percentage sign. So that's how we represent modulo, modulos, or modulo. All right, so a mod modulo n, which is a is dividend and the n1 is divisor. All right, so the n1 try to divide the a, the right side, which is divisor. Divisor tries to divide a into equal parts, and it's going to show us the mod is going to show us the remainder. All right, so that's how we're gonna represent. Sorry, that's multiplication. We present the modulo with the percentage sign. All right, so in case of 10, and which is the first value, which is the divisor, dividend, and the second value is divisor. Where is it? So our 10 is dividend and 3 is divisor, is 1. The 3, the second one, tries to divide the first one, so the 3 into equal parts. The 3, if it divide 3 by 10, 10 by 2 is 5, but if you put it 3, we're going to get 3, because 3 and 3 and 9, and what's the remainder is 1. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So that's how we take a mod, a, which is dividend, and n, which is divisor. So the n tries to take the value of a, and the trend the n, which is divisor, divisor is going to try to divide the a and into equal parts, and going to give us a remainder. So we say remainder is r. We're going to represent like okay, divisor, n, or I'm going to put a c out to make it more fun. A is dividend and n is divisor. So that's how it works. In other words, all right, so, and if we copy that, I'm going to paste it, which we say n a mod n, and we get r, which is remainder. Okay, I think that's the simplest explanation of this modulus, which is in C++. So the left hand side is dividend and the right hand side is divisor, and the right hand side tries to divide the first part into equal parts. If you guys look at this arithmetic algorithms, it's exactly like that. So if you got a 5 plus 5, so the 5 on top, it looks at here, this 5, it goes on top and makes it 10. It's exactly like the second part always tries to perform the arithmetic operator into this algorithm. So that's how the algorithm is. Alright, so the second part, which is divisor, tries to divide the first part, which is dividend, into equal parts and give us the remainder. That's exactly here. So that's how we take the modulo. I think that's the simplest and straightforward explanation. You can try as many numbers as you want. See if okay, so I've done C out and C out, endl. I forgot to put an endl here, end line. I'm gonna put this escape sequence, and at the next videos we're gonna discuss this escape sequence, the next line. This is called next line. We're going to the next line. All right, so that's much better. A is dividend and n is divisor, and which will represent a modulus n, and we get r, which is remainders. Our remainder. All right, so I'm gonna try again. So we're gonna put like 100 divided by, say, 40, which is 20. So the 40 tries to divide the 100 into equal parts, and the 40 to 40, it has to be 50, but the 40 and 40, which is 80, and the remainder is 20. All right, and one more thing, you guys, you can use a float and you can use a double. So cannot use float and double. You can use char. You can use char, int, unsigned int. You can use short. You can use any other number, but not a double or float. So do not use double or float. You're gonna get an error. So we try that. Just wanted to show you guys. So if I try to do double, and the compiler is going to say, all right, you've got a sum of double x and y. You are taking the value of x here, which you're going to store here, and I'm going to take the value of y. I'm going to store here. Let's see what you're going to do. You're going to do modulos, and you're going to say, nah, I'm not going to go ahead. So see, that's exactly what I said, that compiler gonna go line by line, gonna read through, and once the compiler here and see this modulos, they say, no, I'm not gonna go ahead. So it's gonna giving us error. All right, so if we try any other number, say even if you try float, it's not gonna take that. So because, see, again, same thing, it's float. But if you try short, our char or car, whatever, it's gonna go ahead. See, it's executed and it went ahead. So the value of this one is 13, and the value of 3, which is 1, we're gonna get 12, and there is a remainder is 1. So that's the thing. All right, so I think and even you can even use char if you want. You can use anything, but do not use double or float with the remainder. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you got any question, just leave the comments below. I think I try to explain this modulos as simple as possible. I hope you guys understood the concept, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which we're going to discuss the escape sequence operator, and we're going to go on the strings. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.